How to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva, open your design. After you've opened your design or selected what you want to share, you'll find this kind of screen pop up if you open the design. Then you'll find share option on top right corner of your screen. After you click on share, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on see all. You may find WhatsApp in here. If you don't find WhatsApp, simply go back to the main page of share. In there, simply copy link. First, you need to give access anyone with the link in collaboration link. After you've done that, open WhatsApp. In the chat where you want to send, press Ctrl+V, which is paste. After you've done that, send it, and as you can see, it has been shared. This is how to share Canva design in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.